Today we mark another important milestone in the history of the Bangsamoro peace process. It truly warms my heart that we are able, on our promise of a more inclusive, accountable, and transparent government for the Bangsamoro. Let me take this opportunity to personally acknowledge the efforts of everyone who made this event possible, especially the negotiating panels of both sides of the government and the Moro Islamic Liberation Front, the independent decommissioning body, and all those who worked tirelessly to end the armed hostilities between the government and MILF. I take pride in the fact that we have made significant progress in the implementation of the agreements arising from the comprehensive agreement on Bangsamoro, including the very important annex on normalization that covers the decommissioning process. This is indeed a huge step towards our goal of achieving lasting peace for Mindanao. As we proceed with the decommissioning process, let me assure our MILF combatants that the government will assist you as you reintegrate into society and enjoy fruitful and productive civilian lives. I look forward to having you as government partners as we take further strides in securing lasting peace and order in Mindanao. Let me also take this opportunity to assure the officials of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region, the MILF, and the people of Mindanao that this administration will always listen to your grievances. Let us set aside our differences and avoid further armed conflict. I also invite all concerned stakeholders to continue working with governments so that our gains for many years of peace-building efforts will never go to waste. As our decommissioning combatants open a new chapter in your lives, I hope that they will be inspired to take this opportunity to improve the lives and create a better future for your families and loved ones as well. Let us celebrate this milestone, confident that we have started building a better and brighter future for our nation, where every Filipino, regardless of ethnicity, gender, religion, or ideological leanings, will have a chance to live in peace, prosperity, harmony, and one another.